This demo is regarding the reserve number option present in the Cloud Publish app. You can find the reserve number option in the home page, and also you can find it by clicking on the three lines present on the top left hand corner. You have to click on it and you will be able to see the reserve number in the drop down list. When you can click on the reserve number, when you click on the reserve number option, you will be redirected to a page where you will be able to see the numbers reserved by you for the customers to give a missed call to for subscribing to the notification service. Here there is no list present because this particular account has no numbers reserved to it. You can